Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be taking a look at our new SB2000. This is a sandblasting machine we are just now rolling out, but we are going to be removing paint and powder coat with this machine. So we're going to take a look at how it works with an aluminum oxide. So we started with our painted piece here. Now I put this in the cabinet again. This is an aluminum oxide, but it was super quick in removing that painted surface. It took maybe 15 seconds to get all of that paint off and get it back to looking like a brand new piece of metal. There's a little bit of surface profile on this, so if you wanted to repaint it after, you could absolutely do that. But yeah, it literally did it in like 15 seconds. So it was super quick, super easy, super effortless, and just gold. So we are back with our powder coated piece. As you can see, we did kind of a half and half so you guys could see a little bit better. Now this took me a little bit longer than the painted piece since powder coat is a little bit tougher to get off. It's more adhered to the surface of the part, but this took me about a minute, so it doesn't take much longer at all. But you can see that this surface is now prepped for another coating like powder coat if you wanted to re-powder coat it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please give us a call. My number is 828-220-5012.